So at QuadSAT, we develop antenna test technology. We focus on all the antennas within the satellite communications industry. So anything from a small user terminal all the way up to the largest earth stations all around the world. Our technology is drone-based, meaning that we take a drone system out in the field to be able to measure and characterize the antennas. This gives a lot of new data that hasn't previously been possible either over a satellite, and it also gives repeatable measurements that compare with out in the field. So it offers a lot of new capabilities, and it's also very cost competitive towards any of the traditional ways of testing and qualifying antennas. So I think one of the key challenges in the industry right now is the flat panel antennas. There's a lot of flat panel antennas coming to the market, and there will be a lot more coming to the market this and in the coming years. And there's no set standard way of testing and ensuring that they go onto the satellites without generating interference. So I don't think there's not missing a willingness to perform testing and qualifications, but there's a lack of these way of testing or to agree on those ways. And this is some of the things that we're working on now, and us as a test entity in the industry are very involved in coming up with ways that makes it easy for satellite operators to evaluate an antenna and then define the operation area of that antenna. We can't really look at flat panel antennas in the same way as we have for many years looking at parabolic antennas. That wouldn't be fair. These are two very different technologies, and that needs to be recognized, and then we need to look at how does actually flat panel antennas be evaluated based on for what they actually are. So one of the other ways, and one of the things that we announced at the satellite show back in March, is a collaboration with Eutelsat on ESVA testing. So coming in and testing larger antennas, either this be during a new installation, a refurbishment, or just a calibration. Our tool makes it extremely easy for our customers to calibrate their antennas to meet the compliance, also to be prepared for any interference cases in the future or regulatory cases as well. And of course, ensuring the most bit per energy, basically. That's what you want to have in a satellite communication systems. And if calibrating your antenna can actually then give a really good return on investment for your system if you have an underperforming antenna today.